As we learned about power ups and looking out for frustrations, let's try exploring the same in Swiggy and Zomato. So the first is exploring the filters in both these apps. As you can see here for Swiggy, they have an option for you to switch between veg and non veg. They have an option called as guilt free, a discount, and a bestseller option. But coming to Zomato, you see that there are more filters like bestseller, top rated, spicy, kids' choice, no onion or garlic, and they also give you an option to sort by the price. So, this is all about the filtering process for both these apps. Now, coming to the food cards, let's see how they are. Coming to Swiggy, you see that this card consists of an image and the name of the food item, some price, and also a rating. And once you click on the more details option over here, you can see in further more details about the food item. Coming to Zomato, you see the name of the food item, ratings, and some other stuff details here. But if I have to compare both over here, here they're mentioning the rating in the form of stars and they're also mentioning the number of ratings, saying 356 ratings. But coming to Swiggy, you just see the ratings in the form of a number, such as 4.3, and they've mentioned the number of ratings in a bracket. If I were to compare both these cards, here this is pretty much simple and precise, but here there are a lot of information. So this is all about exploring the food carts. Now coming to exploring the menus, let's see how this is. Here, honestly speaking, both Swiggy and Zomato have a pretty much same menu card. But if you observe over here that in Swiggy you have a very darker menu, and since the background is also darker, it's a little difficult for me to focus on. But coming to Zomato, they've used a white background and they've used darker text inside the menu as well. And this is pretty much standing out. So, this is an observation that I've made in the menus option. Coming to exploring a particular menu, let's see how it is here. We see that when I click on new creations, I'm also able to see the number of items in this particular category. It says four. So there are four new creations options. But here in Zomato, I don't find that option over here. And coming to the search feature, I can either type in or I also have a voice feature. So this will help me to navigate my menu much easier and faster. Whereas in Zomato, I can just type in the menu item over here. So this is other observation that I've made over here. So this way you can try noting down your frustrations and plus points in by comparing both the apps or website. This fifth process is to gather insights. So now you will gather insights by reading reviews, user feedbacks, and even asking potential users to try out the app or website. The last step is to level up your design game, which is to take the best parts that you found, like easy navigation, and use them in your design. And those enemies you spotted, avoid them in your design. Here's a sample competitive analysis table format. You can similarly make a table of your own and fill in the details. So here I've taken a name called as criteria. Then I've put in the names of my apps that I'm trying to compare. So I have criteria like target users, product objectives, unique features, ease of use, ease of navigation, visual styling, what features have been liked by users, what features have not been disliked by users. You can further add more criteria if you want, but these are what I want to stick to. And you can just fill in the details at the end. So, this is how you can conduct a competitive analysis. Try doing the same.